Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Jordan 1 Low by Jordan Brand in the black toe colorway. It comes in a red and black Jordan box. The shoes come with an extra set of black laces, which are a nice touch, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The Jordan 1 black toe is one of the most sought after original colorways from 1985 and is now back in early August 2023 in a low cut construction. It has red laces installed just like Michael Jordan famously used to wear it early in his Chicago Bulls career. But in this video I prefer to style them with the black laces included. It features an all leather upper, and like its name suggests, it has a red heel, white upper with black overlays across its forefoot and toe. You may recognize this colorway as the shoe MJ wore in the iconic Skyline Jordan Brand photo shoot on the Chicago playground that inspired the Jumpman logo in 1988. As for this pair, I wish they kept the same matte leather seen on the red heel tab. This is a common quality control problem with Jordan Brand. The shiny black leather at the toe looks cheap and shows creases more. I'm happy that there's no distressed or yellowed midsole for that reimagined aged theme Nike and Jordan Brand have been pushing lately. I recommend you stay true to size like I did in this video, and I would still recommend you pick these up, especially if you're a Jordan 1 fan, while the sneaker hype is quite low and you can grab an OG low close to retail, even if I wouldn't be keeping my pair. It's still good to have this OG colorway back, flaws and all. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment toe to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.